fuck you talking to like that? What the fuck?
How does this whole thing stay up?
Pepper.
It sounds like you're yes buddy.
Oh my gosh. You're gonna sneeze.
Any of the audio of it.
I won't. No, you should. It's funny. No, it's not a frog. Billy. I'm an animal. Oh my god, okay. I'm an animal. You're okay. Come on, Billy, let's get up. Let's get up. Come on. Give me your hand. Yep.
Tonight, Billy said, "What is it? What did you say? What did you say? What did you say tonight about the food thing?"
Pepper was trying to eat food, and I said, she doesn't even eat.
No, it was food was involved.
She doesn't even eat food.
Right. Billy said she doesn't even eat food, and I said I think that's a track on the 1975's next album, Music for Cars, because it sounds like one of their songs. And then I improvised a little couple lines, and the first line was, "I got cigarettes between the toes." Oh.
Like that.
In the winter snow, I'll be under the mistletoe. Small, extremely elegant hotel room, and it has an airplane seat. The extra seat, which is also a bed. I don't want to miss it on the holiday. I should be playing it.
Oh, they're so cute. Okay, here's what's annoying. I hate the color blue. It's like my least favorite color. I don't know how I ended up dyeing it blue. And then I remember like, I just lived with it for a while, and then I was like, I realized that I was somebody with colored hair. I didn't clock that. I had blue hair, but I didn't think I was someone with blue hair. I just thought I had blue hair and I was me. And then I realized like, when people walk by me, they probably were like, oh, she has blue hair. You know, as you do when you see somebody with colored hair. I wanted to change it to like dark gray. I was told that whoever dyed my hair in October used like a permanent blue. So that shit is not coming out. I have sat in that stupid salon chair for hours and 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 hours and
2,000 years later.
hours and hours and hours and hours and hours and hours and hours trying to get the blue out, and that bitch went out. Get the fuck out of there. I was almost done. I was like, you know, getting everything ready. I was like, I wanted some avocados, so I opened the fridge and I was like, where are the avocados? And in my head, I was like, ha, that'd be funny if I made that my username. And then I didn't even do it. And then like a couple days later, I was like, what was that thing I said? Where are the avocados? That'd be funny as hell. So I made it my username.